Hey Adquynton, this is Bobbie and this is the digital marketing analysis that I promised you for Astonishing Janitorial Services. So it was great hearing from you yesterday. I hope this video can help you just to build your business up and to get you going in the Fort Worth area. So the first thing I did is I took a look at your website, and it's very pretty. I like the colors, I like the way you put it together, but it looks more like just a business card. So I'm going to give you 3 tips on what you can do to build up that online presence and then get more clients just coming to you. The first thing I did is I came to Google, and I right here you kind of see I searched janitorial services Fort Worth. The first thing you see right here is the sponsored or the ad section. So in order to get to the ad section, you pay Google to get here whenever people type certain words, when people search certain words. And so these are the people who have an ad for this phrase right here, janitorial services of Fort Worth. The thing about ads is that most browsers nowadays come with automatic pop-up blockers. So if somebody is searching for your service and they have that on, they're not even going to see it at all. Ads are good. I do offer that as well. I do different ways, and we can talk about that at another time if you'd like. So after the sponsor section is the map pack. In order for you to be right here, you have to have a Google business page. A Google business page is just a free little spot that Google allows you to have. You have to be verified to be right here, and I can help you to do all of that. People think that the only way to be up here is by location only, but it's not, and that's where I come in. So Google puts you on here based on, first, the amount of citations you have. So sometimes citation sounds like a bad word, but not in marketing. A citation is basically just a directory. Google wants you to be in as many relevant directories throughout the internet as possible, at least two or three times more than your top competitors. It's not directories alone. So I clicked right here on Fort Worth Cleaning Professionals just to figure out why they're number one. And I noticed a couple of things. So they have a lot of content on their Google business page as well. Content is in the form of images, and it's in the form of the services they have. And also I noticed that they do have quite a few 5-star Google reviews. So those are a couple of more things that you can do to get on the top of the search engine. Next thing, so scrolling down, the next section is the organic section. In order to be here, you have to have a couple of things on your website. So the top business here is Fort Worth Janitorial. First, Google wants to know that you know your business. So you have to have as much content about your business as possible. Content equals knowledge. Can't just be content alone. It has to be keyword rich content. So you have to have the right words that people are actually searching for. So I went along to their website, I clicked right here, and it pulled it up, and it showed me that they do have some content. It's not a lot, it's way less than what I was expecting, so that means they're easy to beat. I used my keyword counter right here, or my word counter right here, and it's telling me they only have about 378 words on that homepage. Google likes to see at least 1,000, 1,500, but we can beat them with a landslide with just 1,000 keywords. Or just with 1,000 words on your homepage. The next thing I wanted to look at is backlinks. So what a backlink is when another website, relevant website, posts your link on their page. What that does is it gives you authority and popularity in Google's eyes. So I use my tool that I have right here, and it's telling me that on their website they have 35 keywords that Google's finding for them, but it's also telling me that there's 20 backlinks, so 20 other websites that this particular website is on, pointing back to them, giving them authority. And so what that does is whenever you are in other websites like that, Google finds you popular, relevant, they go to your website and they crawl it. They figure out what words are on there, what you know about, and they'll list you at the top of the search engine for those particular words. So their backlinks and their keywords is bringing them 70 visits of traffic every single month. I was a little curious to see what keywords are actually ranking for, so I clicked right here, and these are some of the top keywords that are on their webpage. So I'm gonna break it down. Some cleaning services Fort Worth is searched 700 times every month, average for the past 3 months. And this business right here is on the 28th position for that. Let me change this around just a little bit right here so we can see what are the high keywords that they're actually ranked for. So they're number 1 for Fort Worth Janitorial Service. That's the keyword that we just searched up, and that keyword is searched 70 times every month. So I wanted to take a look at your website also, and I did a keyword counter, and it's telling me there are only 49 words. You know, like I said, it looks like it's just a business card. People right now, the only people who are seeing your website are the people who you've already had contact with. But what our goal is to get those people that don't have contact with you yet, who don't know you, so that way they can be some new clients for you. So also put your website into this tool that I'm using, and you have one backlink to your website, but Google is still finding no keywords, and that's giving you no traffic. So basically, you've paid a lot of money for this website, you're paying on a monthly basis, but it's not really doing anything for you. But we can change all of that. So let me know what you think. Just to recap real quick, the 3 things that we're talked about today is citations or directories, keyword rich content, and backlinks. So Adquynton, I hope this helps you. Give me a call. Let me know what you think. This is absolutely free to you. The only thing that I ask is that you give me a 5-star review, and just let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.